In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar table in Power BI using DAX. By the end, you'll have a proper calendar table ready for time intelligence calculations, and you'll understand exactly why each click matters. Start by opening your Microsoft Power BI desktop app on your computer. Once it's open, head into one of your existing reports where you want to add the calendar table. We'll create the table directly inside this report so it's immediately available for your visuals and measures. At the top, go to the Modeling tab in the ribbon. Here, click New Table. This opens the DAX formula bar, which is where we'll define the calendar table. A calendar table is simply a table with a continuous list of dates, typically covering the range you need for your data model. It often includes helpful breakdowns like year, quarter, month, and day to support flexible reporting. If you don't already have a DAX expression ready, you can use a tool like ChatGPT to help you craft one. Ask for a DAX calendar table that includes a date column, and if you want additional fields like year, month, and quarter, make sure the code produces a contiguous set of dates and that the date column is typed as a true date, not text. Copy the DAX code you get, go back to Power BI, and paste it into the formula bar. Press Enter to create the table. On the right side, under the Data section in the Fields pane, you should now see your new calendar table. Click it to select the table and confirm that the columns look correct. Next, go back up to the Modeling tab and choose Mark as Date Table. When prompted, select the column that represents the actual date, usually named Date, and then click Save. Marking the table as a date table is crucial. It tells Power BI to use this table for time intelligence functions, which enables calculations like year to date or month over month to work correctly and consistently. If the date option isn't available, double check that your date column contains unique dates with no blanks and is set to a date data type. Adjust your DAX if needed and paste it again. That's it. You've created a calendar table, pasted the DAX, and officially marked it as the model's date table. From here, you can use it to drive more accurate time-based analysis across your reports. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building smarter time intelligence in Power BI.